Win the next Copa Trophy in 2024, but you won't win the Ballon d'Or in the next 10 years. Become the best goalkeeper in the world, but only Cristiano Ronaldo can score against you. Sweet. Win the UEFA Men's Player of the Year, but the first person that shows up after you click share, then more, will come with Messi and steal it from you. Ronaldo returns in Europe and wins amazing trophies, but Messi retires from football next year. Be friends with Haaland and Mbappe? Oh yes, but I show speed comes at you and starts barking.